down here taking the bed off my truck. Rusty stuff, and I found out I got all my bolts out. I came face to face with the cicada. Oh, he was staring at me right in my eyes when I looked up. Oh, he's coming for me. He's thinking about it. He's like, "What's up, bro? You taking this bed off his truck? Are you taking this bed off? I was just chilling on your tire, man. This is some good tire. All the other cicadas are out having sex and dying. I'm the smart one. I'm just gonna chill on your tire, dude. Your tire's a little dry rotted, but that's okay because it still smells good." Yeah. Oh yeah, look at me. Let me just get a little pet in. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Ow, ow, ow. Get back on the rubber now. Get back on your rubber. Oh, got his leg pinched, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me pet your eyeball. Doink, doink. Oh, you don't like that, do you? Doink, doink, doink. Come on, get back on there. Little cicada, what you doing? Yeah, you want back on there? You want baby? You got badibidi? Oh, here comes. Oh, is it? No, get away from here with water. It's my work area. Cicada. Cicada.
Cicada.
Cicada. Be free. Oh, I think you went on your back.
Is he on there?
I can't see. Nope. He gone.
He gone.